Let us sign up with Bee. Go to Play Store and type in Bee Network. And then this is going to actually pop up. You need to click on install to install it. And after you've installed it, you can actually open the application. And then it's going to bring you to this particular application. So now let's sign up with this. So I'm going to click on sign up. And then we want to sign up with our email. So I'm going to click on so let's switch to email right now. So I'm going to add in my email right there. A lot of apps at gmail.com, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and verification link has been sent to our email, so we need to verify that right now and get the verification code sent to our email. So if you take a look at the email right here, it has just arrived, and that's just basically this particular number right here. So I'm going to just copy that. So this is the code. I'm going to copy it, then go back, and I want to add it right here. Okay, so I'm going to paste that, and then let's go ahead and click on next, and then let's go ahead and enter our password right here. Let's click next, and let's go ahead and enter our invitation right here. Don't know how to claim Bee? It's really very simple. Make sure you have the app downloaded, and once you are in the Bee app like this, as you can see, I only have one Bee at the moment, and you can just tap on this Bee red icon and it will start generating Bee for you.